Your menu board is the most viewed piece of marketing in your entire restaurant. It's not just a list. How you design it shapes what people order and spend. The top right of the board draws the eye first. Put your highest margin item there. Group items into clear zones: starters, mains, drinks, so nothing gets skipped. A rotating specials zone uses scarcity and novelty to pull in new orders. Feature just 2 to 4 dishes with big photos, not a cluttered wall of pictures. One beautiful shot of your signature dish measurably lifts how often it's ordered. Go big and high contrast, so every word is readable from across the counter. Let the board upsell for you. Add a side for $2 beside every main. Guide the choice with badges, most popular combo, or the chef's recommendation. Schedule by day part, breakfast in the morning, dinner at night, never everything at once. That cuts decision fatigue and moves the line faster during every rush. Refresh it often. A current board signals an active kitchen customers can trust. Turn any TV into a menu board that sells. Start free today.